Ever wondered how to invest in cryptocurrency? Puzzled by the buzz around these digital assets? Let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency investing and unravel the mystery. Cryptocurrency. It's a word that's been buzzing around the financial world for quite some time now. But what exactly is it? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency built on a technology called blockchain. This technology ensures the security and decentralization of transactions, making it a unique and appealing investment option. But how does one venture into this realm of digital assets? Here are some simple, easy-to-follow steps to get started. Step 1. Understand the market. Just like traditional investing, cryptocurrency investing requires a solid understanding of the market. This includes knowing about different types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, and what sets them apart. Step 2. Choose a platform. Once you have a basic understanding of the market, the next step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange platform. These platforms are where you buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrencies. Some well-known platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Step 3. Create an account. After choosing a platform, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and going through a verification process. Remember, security is paramount in the world of digital currencies. Step 4. Start investing. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start investing. You can choose to buy whole units of a cryptocurrency or fractions of a unit. Start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable. Step 5. Monitor your investment. Investing in cryptocurrency doesn't end at buying. It's crucial to monitor your investments regularly, keeping tabs on market trends and adjusting your portfolio as needed. Now, let's reiterate the key points about cryptocurrency investing. Firstly, understanding the market is crucial. Each cryptocurrency functions differently and has its own set of risks and rewards. Secondly, choosing the right platform is vital. The platform should be secure, user-friendly, and have a good reputation in the market. Thirdly, security should never be compromised. Always ensure your account is secure and never share sensitive information. Fourthly, start small. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile. Starting small reduces potential losses. And lastly, always monitor your investments. Stay updated with market trends and adjust your portfolio accordingly. Investing in cryptocurrency can be an exciting journey. It offers a new perspective on finance and the potential for high returns. But remember, with high potential comes high risk. Always do your research and invest wisely. This is your journey into the future of finance. Enjoy the ride.